If you need to request a refund from Yahoo Mail, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your request is processed smoothly. Step 1. Gather your information. Collect all necessary details, including your Yahoo Mail account information, transaction ID, and any relevant receipts or confirmation emails related to your purchase. Step 2. Visit the Yahoo Help page. Go to the Yahoo Help page by entering the URL in your browser. Look for the section related to billing or refunds to find specific instructions and options for your issue. Step 3. Sign into your account. Log into your Yahoo Mail account using your credentials. This step is crucial as it allows Yahoo to verify your identity and account details. Step 4. Submit a refund request. Locate the option to submit a refund request. Fill out the required form with accurate information, including the reason for your refund request, and attach any supporting documents if necessary. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your request, keep an eye on your email for any updates from Yahoo regarding your refund. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable time frame, consider reaching out to Yahoo customer support for further assistance. By following these steps, you can effectively navigate the refund process with Yahoo Mail. Good luck!